Hello and welcome to the daily Forex report for August 21st. We're looking at the US Japanese yen pair. It closed lower during this last session, moving lower. Did create a swing trade opportunity. We'll talk about that in a minute. We are looking for it to potentially go as high as 79.78, possibly as low as 78.92. Look for some resistance around 79.65. And look for some support around 79.05. Now the Euro USD surged to the upside, still moving higher, biased us to the upside. Look for it to potentially go as high as 125.90, possibly as low as 122.79. Look for some resistance around 129.95 and look for some support around 123.75. Now the pound US dollar pair, it surged to the upside as well. It's moving higher. Biased is still might be changing to the upside. Still want it to move a little bit higher to determine that. Currently moving sideways. Look for it to potentially go as high as 158.85, possibly as low as 156.41. Look for some resistance around 158.05. And look for some support around 157.44. Now the US Swiss moved to the downside, broke through previous areas of support. Look for it to potentially go as high on reversal up to 0.9777, possibly as low as 0.9536. Look for some resistance around 0.9675 and look for some support around 0.9615. Now, as far as news analysis go, we do have one significant news analysis being released tomorrow at 2 p.m. Eastern. We have the U.S. Fed releasing their minutes from their August FOMC meeting. Of course, the numbers have already been released, so most likely it will not affect the market all that much. Now, as far as trades, let's go take a look at the U.S. Japanese yen pair. This pair created a swing trade opportunity right here. This is where you have a middle bar, 3-bar pattern. Middle bar has a higher high than the bar before it and after it, and a higher low than the bar before it and after it. Looking for a short to the downside. This is a perfect setup. You have an up bar, a down bar, and a down bar. Basically looking for a short here, looking for it to come on down to this point. Let's take a look at what that looks like. Looking to sell around the 79.19 mark. And then looking to grab about 16 pips off that right when it hits the 79.00 level. Because of that 000 level, at that point we could have some support come into the market. So that is what we are looking for during this next session. A sell off of the 79.19 and then looking to exit that trade around the 79.03 mark for about 16 pips. Well, I hope that helps, and until next time, this is Jason Fielder. Good trading.